A program manager is responsible for making sure that a project is seen through till the end. In that direction, he has to undertake several duties and responsibilities. In this following article, we will be discussing the job description of different forms of program managers and help you understand what they do. The term program manager has become quite common in today's IT era. If you do not belong to the IT field, however, the knowledge of what a program manager does and what his job description entails is probably not something that you readily know of. To make it very simple then, here is a brief introduction to the topic which will be explained in greater detail later. There are several programs that are formulated in any IT company, and the job of a program manager is to ensure that the job gets completed with the least amount of problems. This is the basic crux of his job. In making that happen, there have to be several things that have to be taken care of, and that is what makes up the job of a program manager. In the following sections, we shall look at these basic duties of a program manager. Types of program managers: IT program manager, software program manager, senior program manager. Responsible for running complex programs and projects, which includes handling tasks that are involved in designing and development, as well as production. Ensures that all the technology projects follow the standard procedures that are used in the management and deployment of projects. Undertakes strategy creation for contingency planning and risk mitigation. Responsible for planning and scheduling project goals, milestones and deliverables. Defines requirements and plans the project life cycle deployment. Defines resources for project and program implementation. Identifies and solves project issues effectively. Oversees and directs the project engineering team and manages conflicts within the different groups. Develops RFP, requests for proposals, for external services. Performs team assessment and evaluations. Exhibits leadership qualities to define requirements for project risks. Possesses skills like organization, presentation, and customer service skills. Designs and maintains project and technical documentation. Reports the progress as well as the problems to management stakeholders. Facilitating and making trade-off decisions between quality, costs, resources, scope, and time. Communicating the technical and functional requirements of all the technical projects to the development team. Working with all the stakeholders to define and execute the engineering programs. Managing all the changes and issues with the stakeholders. Providing project plans that include scheduling, cost inclusion, etc. Planning for risks, which includes developing strategies for dealing with potential risks as well as covering them. Making sure that the execution of all projects is carried out on schedule. Following the defined processes and policies as ordered by his seniors. Striving for process improvements in several aspects of engineering execution. Providing the engineering program status and maintaining the communication infrastructure. Executing the operations management tasks whenever required. Overlooking the process aspects of individual projects as well as other aspects of release oversight. Undertaking early release definition and scope negotiation. Participating in programs that deal with career development planning and performance evaluation. Assessing and selecting training needs and tools for team members. Reviewing evaluations. Recognizing areas for internal improvement and developing plans for implementation. Complying and enforcing company policies and procedures. Lending expertise to internal teams and task forces. Reviewing status reports of team members across projects and addressing issues when needed. Please note, the duties and responsibilities of the managers may change depending on the degree of the needs of every organization. Depending on that, the program manager job description will undergo changes as well. As is clear, the job of a program manager is very important in the IT field, and people aspiring to be one will have a great amount of responsibilities to take up. That is why it is important that one is aware of the program manager job description and duties before getting into it.